Augmented Analytics. Lecture 2. Today we will learn about data preparation. Introduction to data preparation, data cleansing and transformation techniques, data visualization tools and techniques. Data preparation. Data preparation is a crucial step in the data analysis process and involves transforming raw data into a format that is suitable for analysis. The goal of data preparation is to ensure that the data is accurate, complete, and consistent, and that it can be used effectively to generate insights and support decision-making. The data preparation process typically involves several steps, including 1. Data collection. This involves gathering data from various sources, such as databases, spreadsheets, and APIs. 2. Data cleaning. This involves identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and missing values in the data. Data cleaning is a time-consuming process, but it is essential for ensuring that the data is accurate and reliable. 3. Data integration. This involves combining data from multiple sources into a single dataset. Data integration can be challenging, as different sources may use different formats and structures. 4. Data transformation. This involves converting the data into a format that is suitable for analysis. For example, data may need to be normalized, scaled, or aggregated. 5. Data enrichment. This involves adding additional data to the dataset, such as demographic information or external data sources, to provide additional context and insights. Introduction to data preparation. Data preparation is the process of transforming raw data into a format that is suitable for analysis. The goal of data preparation is to ensure that the data is accurate, complete, and consistent, and that it can be used effectively to generate insights and support decision-making. The data preparation process typically involves several steps, including data collection, cleaning, integration, transformation, and enrichment. Data collection involves gathering data from various sources such as databases, spreadsheets, and APIs. Once the data is collected, the next step is data cleaning, which involves identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and missing values in the data. This step is critical, as inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to incorrect insights and decisions. Data integration involves combining data from multiple sources into a single dataset. Data transformation involves converting the data into a format that is suitable for analysis. This may include normalizing, scaling, or aggregating the data. Data enrichment involves adding additional data to the dataset, such as demographic information or external data sources to provide additional context and insights. Data preparation is a time-consuming process, but it is essential for ensuring that the data is accurate and reliable. Automated tools, such as those used in augmented analytics, can help to streamline the data preparation process and reduce the risk of errors and inconsistencies. Data cleansing and transformation techniques. Data cleansing and transformation are critical steps in the data preparation process. These steps involve identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and missing values in the data, and transforming the data into a format that is suitable for analysis. Here are some common techniques used for data cleansing and transformation. 1. Removing duplicates. Duplicates can skew the analysis results, so it is essential to identify and remove them from the dataset. 2. Handling missing values. Missing values can occur for various reasons, such as data entry errors or system failures. One approach to handling missing values is to impute them using statistical methods, such as mean imputation, median imputation, or regression imputation. 3. Standardizing values. Data may need to be standardized to ensure that it is in a consistent format. For example, dates may need to be converted into a common format, such as IMDD. For converting data types may need to be converted to ensure that they are suitable for analysis. For example, text data may need to be converted into numerical data or categorical data, may need to be converted into numerical codes. 5. Scaling data. Scaling involves transforming data so that it falls within a specific range. This is often necessary when working with variables that have different scales, such as height and weight. 6. Binning. Binning involves grouping continuous data into discrete categories. This can be useful for simplifying analysis or visualizing the data. 7. Outlier detection and removal. Outliers can have a significant impact on analysis results, so it is essential to identify and remove them from the dataset. These techniques are just a few examples of the data cleansing and transformation techniques that can be used in data preparation. The choice of techniques will depend on the nature of the data, the analysis goals, and the tools available. Data visualization tools and techniques. Data visualization is the process of creating graphical representations of data to help people understand and interpret complex information. Effective data visualization can make it easier to identify trends, patterns, and relationships in the data. Here are some commonly used data visualization tools and techniques. 1. Bar charts. Bar charts are a simple and effective way to display categorical data. They can be used to compare data across different categories. 2. Line charts. Line charts are used to display trends over time. They can be used to show how a variable changes over a period of time. 3. Scatter plots. Scatter plots are used to display the relationship between two variables. They can be used to identify correlations or outliers. 4. Pie charts. Pie charts are used to display proportions or percentages. They can be used to show the distribution of a variable across different categories. 5. Heat maps. Heat maps are used to display large amounts of data in a compact format. They use color to represent the value of a variable, with darker colors representing higher values. 6. Tree maps. Tree maps are used to display hierarchical data. They use nested rectangles to represent the different levels of the hierarchy. 7. Word clouds. Word clouds are used to display textual data. They use the size of the words to represent their frequency or importance. 8. Interactive dashboards. Interactive dashboards allow users to explore data and create custom visualizations. They can be used to display multiple visualizations on a single screen and provide interactivity for users to drill down into the data. These tools and techniques are just a few examples of the data visualization options available. The choice of visualization will depend on the type of data being analyzed, the audience, and the goals of the analysis. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative videos.